If you want to slow the visible signs of aging, I have just two simple recommendations for you. First, look after your intestine, your gut health. Why is a healthy intestine important for the skin? Because absorption of vitamins, minerals, collagen, and what you eat happens in the gut. When you keep good levels of nutrients and antioxidants, your body will have fewer free radicals, which helps delay aging. When the gut isn't healthy, nutrients aren't absorbed and signs of aging follow. In my practice, when someone has skin problems, eczema, blemishes, dark spots, psoriasis, or acne, treatment always starts with the gut. Ayurveda says that to treat disease, you must remove ama. Ama is like undigested food that sits too long in the intestine. Cleanse the gut, and the skin will naturally glow. I've seen excellent results, so if you want radiant skin, begin with the intestine. How do you keep the gut healthy? Eat on time, sleep on time, and include fruits and vegetables every day. Some people feel bloated or get indigestion from raw salads. That often means stomach pH is off. You may need to correct stomach acidity. Apple cider vinegar helps some, while others do better with cooked rather than raw vegetables. Still, vegetables remain essential. Make it a habit to eat 2 fruits daily, for example, 1 apple and 1 banana, or a portion of pineapple, guava, or papaya. Have one in the first half of the day and another later. This is a simple, powerful way to support gut and skin health. My second recommendation is zinc. If you struggle with hair problems, brittle nails, loss of skin elasticity, or low immunity, zinc might be the missing link. Good sources include pumpkin and chia seeds, seafood, and nuts. Along with zinc-rich foods, I recommend a 1 to 2 month zinc supplement, at least 40 milligrams daily, after a meal, preferably in the first half of the day. Why is zinc deficiency so common? Often because of poor gut health or intestinal inflammation, which is exactly why gut health is my first recommendation.